Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the date and time on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. So you want to do a swipe up and you want to search for settings. If you're not able to find it, you can use the top here. You can use the search there and type in settings. You'll find tap on that. Then from here, guys, scroll down to where you will find general management. So you should be able to find general management. So go ahead and tap on general management. And from here, you want to look for date and time. So tap on that. Automatically or by default, you will notice that it is set to automatic date and time, which means that wherever you are living, it will automatically detect the date and time there. However, if you want to set this manually as well as time zone, etc., you can simply toggle these off, right? And you can easily tap on that and change the date and time. So if I want to set it to tomorrow, I can do that. And if I want to set time as well, I can change that as well and click and done. And as you can see, it is changed. However, if you want to go back, you can easily go ahead and change this if you so desire. So just simply go back to automatic and it will automatically update your date and time. Now, as you can see there, it automatically detects. It does take maybe like about 30 seconds to update the date and the time, but it will definitely do it once you put it on automatic. Now, guys, really hope you found this useful. And if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.